Hello and welcome to Pilates Basics. This one is quite a strong abdominal and hamstring stretching stretch. It is our single straight leg stretch. So I would suggest prior to doing this, take a little hamstring stretch. You can either check it out in the Pilates Basics beginners series. It's there with a lovely hamstring stretch just to make sure you've got enough length in the back of the leg. And you might even want to do another kind of beginner abdominal exercise prior to this, just to make sure that your body's alert, awake, ready to go for this one. Okay, let's get on to our backs. So this one we do with an imprinted spine. So we want to press the lower back down into the mat. We want to switch on the T-zone, 2 hip bones towards each other, pubic bone towards the belly button as we float both legs into tabletop. Great. From here, I'll just demonstrate firstly so you can have a little look. The breath work slightly different for this. We're going to use an inhale, tighten the T-zone. Exhale, I'm going to take one leg towards me as the other leg reaches away. My hands will hold on to either my shins or my ankle, and I'm going to do an exhale with 2 little puffs. Inhale, I'll scissor back the opposite way and then grab onto that calf or ankle and do the same thing. Okay, so try this with me. Let's start from the tabletop. Inhale, T-zone on. Exhale, huff, huff. Inhale, exchange. Exhale, huff, huff. Inhale. Good. So let's keep going like that. It takes a little bit to get used to. We want to keep lengthening out through both feet. Now it might look like my arms are doing quite a lot, but I actually want it to be more about the leg activating. The hand is just helping guide it. Good. Keep drawing the ribs towards the hips so we avoid any arching. If you've got any tension in the neck, you can always drop down. Otherwise, keep lifting the shoulders off. You can make it stronger by lowering the legs further away or by lifting the rib cage off even more, so the shoulders lifting off. Let's go for a few more each side. They're quite strong. Keep with that. The stronger you do the breath, the more you also activate the abdominals, which helps move that leg closer to your eyes or to your head. Last one each side. Hug the knees into the chest. And thank your legs and body for doing this.